Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can plan your road trip efficiently without help of much research and also based on your personal interests, like whether you are a beach person or you prefer more nightlife, etc. So, straight to the point. RoutePerfect is the best tool you can have to plan your upcoming trip. Here I'm at routeperfect.com. So let's say we are planning a trip from Paris to Nice. That's the southern part of France, and we are choosing the start date as June 1st, and let's say we are going for a trip for 10 days, and I'm gonna select June 10th. The mode of transportation we can just choose as car. And we are going for a trip, a moderate class, and this is for a couple or just two friends like that. And we click on start planning. So now Route Perfect has been suggested a way which we can see it here. So let me zoom out a little bit. So for 10 days, it is showing almost like 6 destinations. So starting from like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have an option here. Here is a place for the personal preferences. So I'm going to select the trip preferences. You might love small towns. So let's say I'm going to adjust. We would like to see small towns more, and you would like to explore great food in France, and also you would like to see some nature, and maybe we can just reduce the nightlife a little bit. So based on that, on the right side, it will keep adjusting the places based on your personal interest. And once everything is set, I'm just click back to trip plan, and I'm going to save my preferences. So now here is the final trip, the site which has prepared for us. And let's look at, so the starting point will be from Paris, then the second place, third place, and finally we are ending up with Nice. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Okay, cool. And the best part is starting from the first place, which is Paris. So once you click on this link, it will show you the suggested hotels to stay in France, and also these are the attractions which you can explore in France, in Paris. The famous the places which you can explore in Paris. And once you scroll up, if you go to the second location, that it is suggesting that you can stay just one night here, and book a hotel link is here. And once you click here, and you could see which hotels is based on your budget, and these are the places to explore in that particular area. The eighth location, it's showing us Nice, and here are the hotels that you could book there, and these are the famous locations which you can explore in Nice, France. And on top of that, let's say you don't have an idea about Europe, but at the same time you would like to explore different countries. So here are a set for a popular itineraries. So let's say you would like to explore Italy instead, then I can just type Italy. By default, I'm just choosing 10 days. So they have made a very nice plan for us. Let's explore this one, the Italian lakes region. So once you click on that, so it will show you the best part of Italy you can drive. And just like I showed, they are recommending the best places for your trip. And also you can edit the trip. You can set your trip preferences again. And based on that, it will update your trip. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a nice trip. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks so much, folks.